Hi everyone, my name is Anna and welcome to my sewing channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to make this dress. I have a ready to sew pattern from extra small to extra large size, which you can download from my website annathetailer.com or by visiting my Etsy shop Anna the Tailor. For this project I will use 2 meters of linen fabric. Also I will need invisible zipper, elastic 7 mm in width and around 1.6 meter long, and thread same color as fabric. Linen is a breathable and durable fabric, and it's perfect for a light summer dress like the one I'm about to make. I've prepressed the fabric and cut out the details. Here are my details: front and back skirt panel, sleeves, front body's upper panels, front body's lower panels, and back body's panels. Let's start stitching. Take the body's upper panel, join notches and pin dart to the bust point. Pin darts on both upper panels and stitch each of the dart. One of the details will serve as lining. After stitching, press darts down. I recommend to press details straight away after each stitching. Take the body's lower panel and pin it to the upper bodice. Repeat the same on the lining and stitch. Press seam and make a top stitch by half a centimeter. Take the back details and place front details on top. Join side seams and pin. Stitch all of the side seams. Press seams open. Place bodice details together with face side inside. Pin neckline and stitch. Press seam towards lining and make an edge stitch to secure seam allowance and prevent it from rolling outwards. This is how it should look like. Now let's work on the sleeves. I marked all of the elastic lines on a sleeve and cut elastic for each line. Pin the elastic to the marked lines. And now stitch each elastic in place. For convenience, you also can tack elastic by hand before stitching. Stretch elastic while stitching. Pin sleeve seams together, matching all of the elastics. Pin both sleeves and stitch. Overlock the sleeve seams with front side up. Place bodice facing up and attach sleeves starting from side seam. Pin sleeves inside armhole and stitch them in. Overlock sleeves all the way around with face side up. Do not cut off thread tails. Instead, take the needle and pull it inside the seam allowance together with thread tail and cut off the tail excess. Fold 1 cm on the sleeve head, pin all the way till neckline and make a stitch by 8 mm. Make back stitches at the start and at the end of stitch. Take elastic and attach safety pin. Pull it through the sleeve head seam and secure it with pins. Make back stitches on both ends to secure elastic in place. Overlock center back seam with face side up. Take 2 back skirt panels and pin center seam from zip notch to bottom. Unfold the back skirt and place front skirt detail on top. Pin side seams and stitch all of the seams. Overlock center back seam open and side seams overlock with front side up. Press center back seam open and side seams press towards back. On a skirt waist, make 2 parallel big stitches. Take 2 bottom threads and pull them till you get a skirt to match the bodice waistline. Distribute gathering even. Join bodice waistline with skirt waistline. Pin it and stitch together. Overlock the waistline with skirt facing up. If one of the gathering stitches is visible, you can just remove it, or even remove them both. Take the invisible zipper and pin one side. Close the zipper and mark waistline and end of the zip. I'm using erasable pen which disappears under the heat, but chalk would work too. Open zipper again and pin other side matching those marks. Use one side foot to stitch the zipper. Turn the zipper tail around seam and stitch by hand to secure it. Overlock skirt hem. Turn 1 cm and make a top stitch. Do the same on the sleeves. Overlock first and then top stitch. Make a final press. And here is the final result. Let me know what you think in the comments below. I would love to hear from you. If you were inspired to make this dress, you can download a PDF ready to sew pattern from my website annatetailor.com or from my Etsy shop. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and learned something from it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel to see new projects. And I will see you in my next tutorial. Bye!